Okay, there it is. I took the screws out. I got the panel resting on those buckets since I didn't want to bother. And those wire harnesses to all the power windows and mirrors and stuff. Those things have been on there forever. Probably pretty brittle. So I don't have an extra set of hands here, so I just rested it on that bucket. And I did have to disconnect the door light. That's just a simple bulb pulled right out. I took that rubber thing off. You can see there's where the grommet went. And then through that hole there was a screw there. And then I reached up in here all the way up to about here and took the other screw out. Got the door lock bolt off. Now, the garage is a mess. So this just pulls out. There's a little rod that clips onto here. I'm gonna have to take that off. That should just be like a little pin I pull back. You can see it on the new one here. That right there, that green piece, that rod just clips in between there. And I'm gonna have to take the keyhole, the locking harness out of that old one and pop back in there, and then it should be ready to go. Just put it on, put my 3 screws on, and go back to putting the door panel back on, and hopefully everything will work. So hopefully the next video is the finished project.